Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to create a Facebook business page. First of all, you have to click on this page option and then click on this create new page, and here you have to write the name of your page. So I'm gonna write my page name here. And here you have to put categories. You can put here total 3 categories for your page, like I'm putting here web designer, and I'm putting another category internet marketing service, also business center. After that, here we can write description about our page, so I'm pasting my page description here. After that, when all the information have been put, now click on create page and scroll down, then you will find profile photo option. You can directly add profile picture from here. I'm uploading profile picture. And here you can upload your page cover photo. I'm skipping it for now. I'm clicking on save. Connect your Facebook page to WhatsApp. You can directly connect your WhatsApp account to your Facebook page, but right now I'm skipping this, so I'm clicking on this cross icon here, leave. And here we can see our Facebook page has been created, and here we can see my page URL is outsourcing to BD, and here is number. If you don't want this number, you can create a custom username, then click on this create username option. After that, you can put a username here, like I'm putting here outsourcing to BD. But as you can see, this option is not available, because when 25 people follow to my page, then this option will be available. So I'm canceling it right now. And here we can add a button. To add button, click on here, and here you can add button. Adding this send message button here, and you can add question, and you can add automated response here. You can add more question here. Okay, I'm clicking on save. Here we can see a message button has been added here, and if you want to edit your page, you have to click on this edit page information option. And here we can see my page name here, and here I can change the name of my page easily, and here I can add username, and this is description. We can change these options easily, and the categories, and here we can add contact number, and we can add WhatsApp number. For business has email address, we can put the email address here. Also we can add website. I'm copying my website here and pasting this here. And if your business has a location, you can add address or location here. Service area, if your business has a service area, then you can add the location here. And hours, I'm gonna giving it always open, and you can privacy policy here, and price range I'm giving moderate. And from here, other accounts option, you can add your Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube. Okay, when everything is done, simply going back to my Facebook page, and I'm refreshing my Facebook page. And if you want to create a post for your page, then click on this create post option. Then you can write something here. I'm pasting my company website here, And if you want to add photo or video, you can add from here, then click on post. Here we can see the post has been published here. This is how we can create a business Facebook page. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.